Hey everyone, we're back. I'm Marcella.
I'm Charlotte.
Today we made a Snickerdoodle pound cake and we found the recipe on New York Times Cooking and we saw it on their Instagram stories and we thought it would be a really simple recipe and fun since we love Snickerdoodles and we love pound cake. So yesterday we decided to make it and Charlotte really just took the reins on this one and made a great cake.
Keep watching.
So we hope those steps were easy to follow along. We just had a slice of the pound cake and it was really good. I think we'll definitely be making it again because like we said, it was pretty easy, steps to follow and the ingredients were pretty simple too, which is nice. We ended up giving a lot away to our friends and we just decided that it was probably better to give some away
Instead of
share.
eating it all ourselves. But they also said it tasted really good. And yeah, it was basic, so definitely easy for anybody who just wants to try baking on the weekend or whatever.
We'll link the recipe down below and
We
like
hope
and
you
subscribe.
try it.
See you next time. Bye.